Hi everyone. Today, we will show you how to share a PDF as a link so others can easily view or download it online. Using a tool like Google Drive makes it simple to upload your PDF and generate a shareable link in just a few steps. On our computer, we have a PDF file here. We want to create a link for it so others can access it easily. The first thing we need to do is go to Google Drive. We will upload the PDF there. To do this, go to the upper left part of Google Drive and click New. Now, click File Upload, then select the PDF file you want to upload. Here, we click Open and wait for the upload to finish. As you can see, the file is now uploaded to Google Drive. Now, to get a link for it, simply right-click on the file and click Share. Under General Access, we will change it to Anyone with the link. Once that is set, we can now copy the link. To test the link, open a new tab and paste the link into the address bar. Here is the PDF link in action. Once you press Enter, the PDF file will open. That's it. We have successfully shared a PDF as a link. Now, anyone with the link can easily access the file whenever they need it.